This tutorial demonstrates establishing a connection with a remote Cerex UVDOAS analyzer using Ultra VNC. It also demonstrates the basic operation of a Cerex UVDOAS analyzer, alarm functionality, and data retrieval following monitoring. To establish a connection, double-click the Ultra VNC icon. Type the IP address of the remote analyzer and click Connect. When prompted, type the password Cerex MS, all lowercase. Click Log On. The remote analyzer's desktop opens in a new window. If CMS is not running, double-click the icon to start. By default, CMS opens in basic mode to the Data tab, displaying compounds, concentrations, and max concentrations. Clicking the Advanced tab enables the R² column to be added. Prior to monitoring, check the system performance and alignment. Click the UV tab. Click the Align button. The alignment window will open, displaying the integration time and the instantaneous maximum signal intensity. The integration time should be below 200 milliseconds, and the maximum signal intensity should be 75% of full scale. Click OK to dismiss the alignment window. Prior to intermittent monitoring, or at the onset of continuous monitoring, click the Operation tab and type a new site name. Each time the site name parameter is changed, CMS will create a new data folder of the same name. In this example, the site name will be Cerex Demo, and the first data file in the Cerex Demo folder will be a 5-minute background. Type the new site name. Type the acquisition time in units of seconds. To record the background, click the Clean Air button. Clicking the Clean Air button will force CMS to record a new 5-minute background and store the raw data file in the Cerex Demo folder. CMS may also be operator configured to automatically acquire backgrounds at operator-specified intervals as long as no target gases are in detection. CMS will warn that taking a new background will replace the old background. Click Yes to initiate the new background recording. CMS will now begin recording a new background. This can be checked on the UV tab by observing the progress indicator bar. For the next 5 minutes, CMS will acquire a background. In the meantime, this analyzer is installed with Internet access, linked to a Gmail account. No alarms have been emailed to the Gmail account. Fast forwarding, CMS will halt at the end of the 5-minute background acquisition cycle and wait for operator input. Both the single beam plot and the absorbance plot will populate following the acquisition. To begin monitoring, click the Operation tab. Adjust the acquisition time to the desired acquisition time in seconds. Press the Run button to enter acquisition mode. CMS is now recording data. Click the UV tab to verify progress. With the analyzer acquiring data, benzene gas will be introduced. The spectral features of benzene will clearly show in the absorbance plot. By clicking the Operation tab, detection alerts can be observed. On the Data tab, benzene is clearly in detection. In the Gmail account, CMS has emailed an alarm. Benzene is in detection. Each 5 seconds, the acquisition time, all parameters will update. Mixed xylene gases are now being introduced. As well as benzene. Small absorption features are easily magnified in real time. The analyzer is now in detection of 3 gases. User configurable alarms are being emailed at the end of each acquisition cycle. These are reflected in the Operation tab. The high-resolution spectrometer allows even very small absorption features to be detected, affording very low minimum detection limits. Ammonia gas is also being introduced at this time. Mixed xylenes are again being introduced. The Concentration tab displays a bar chart per acquisition cycle of each gas in detection. The data summary chart displays real-time logged concentration and R-squared data for each selected target gas. CMS reported all of the detection events that occurred during this demonstration to Gmail. Alarms are user configurable based on detection threshold or multiple staged concentrations of independent gases. As well, instrument faults such as integration time errors, flow rate errors, or signal intensity errors are emailed as well with an analyzer that is installed with Internet access. To retrieve data, click the File Transfer button. The File Transfer window will open. Select the destination folder on the local machine in the left-hand pane. In the right-hand pane, navigate to C, Users, CMS User, Documents, Cerex, Data. Select the appropriate data folder and click Receive. Upon receipt of the data, click Close to close the file transfer window. Within the data folder there will be a data summary file and a subfolder containing the raw spectral single beam file. These raw files provide a permanent record of the gases in the air at the time of monitoring, independent of background, and they may be post-processed at any time in the future with a different background. The data summary file contains a record of concentration for each target gas, along with the respective R-square value, rolling averages, and all of the necessary data quality assurance parameters. A separate row is recorded for each acquisition. The CSV file format is easily imported into databases, LIMS, or manipulated with Excel or a spreadsheet.